Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. While we're waiting for the coffee here at this place called Dos in Makkah al-Mukarramah, in a place called Al-Awali, let me remind you that we as Muslims are not supposed to waste food. Something very important. Many times people take things, especially when it comes to a buffet, and we take much more than we would eat simply because we're hungry, number one. Number two is because it's a buffet and we feel it's okay, I'll eat whatever I can, leave whatever I cannot. That is haram. Haram in the sense that to waste. Allah Almighty tells us those who waste are brethren of shaitan. And this is why it's important, even if you're in a buffet or the food is free, take a little, eat. If you really want, go back and get again. But don't waste. If someone's offering you something free, it doesn't mean you're going to take it because it's free. You can refuse it if you're not going to make use of it so that someone else can benefit. If you're eating and you're wasting, trust me, you probably would be earning a sin rather than earning a reward. So these are good words. These are good words. You and I are guilty at times of taking in our plates more than we can actually eat. So therefore, when you're hungry at times, we end up taking more. The same applies to shopping. If you go shopping for groceries when you're hungry, trust me, I'm guilty of it as well. We end up taking more things because we're hungry. Go grocery shopping after you've had a beautiful meal. You'll only take what's necessary. Allah bless you guys. Assalamu alaikum.